First, let's download the official Linux Mint ISO file. Go to linuxmint.com. Press download, then download Linux Mint Cinnamon Edition. This version have a graphical user interface like a desktop. Select a server near you. This will download the official Linux Mint ISO file. Open up VirtualBox, then select New. Give it a name, then under ISO image select Other, and select the ISO image. Disable Proceed with unattended installation, and click Finish. Under base memory, set it higher, and under video memory, set it to 256. Press Start to run the virtual machine. Select Start Linux Mint and press Enter. All done. Please subscribe.